Hi friends, my name is Peter. I am talking to you from Chennai, India. I welcome you all for this wonderful business presentation. Do you all have a dream? If you really have a dream and a burning desire to come up in life and to be financially free, then I think this is the best video you have ever seen in your lifetime. I have come here for a wonderful business opportunity wherein you can be financially free for the next 2 to 3 years from now. Okay, this video is going to be about 40 to 45 minutes from now. I want your full presentation to see this video. Please do not pause in the middle of the video, go and do some other work and come back again, continue seeing this video. It's my humble request to watch this video in a full stretch, because again I repeat, this is going to be a life-changing video for you. We all would have spent many hours going outside for weddings, for functions or malls or restaurant. We have spent so many hours in our lifetime. But this 45 minutes video is definitely going to be a life-changing video for you. This 45 minutes video I am going to speak to you in two parts. The first part is being the introduction about the in normal day-to-day life where people how their financial position is there by going to job or business or professional, and then second part is going to be about the business opportunity. So please look this video in a full stretch. Please do not allow any kind of distractions during this video, watching this video. Okay, let us go into this video presentation. Okay, see, when we are born, we all were very small. We all used to play with our fellow kids, with our neighbors until we attain the age of 3. Once we attain the age of 3, there will be an alarm hitting in our parents' head, reminding them to send us to school. From the age of 3 to for the next 20 to 25 years, everybody are forced to go to school. Okay, so we go to a good school for a good education. As we grow older and older and older, all our parents used to say, you go to a good school, get a good education and get a good job. Go to a good school, get a good education and get a good job. For your information, there is no good job at all. There is only a job. Okay. Sorry for using that word. Please do not mistake me. I am just telling to you what is happening in and around the world. Okay. Right. So as we are growing older and older, our mind is being conditioned that we are going to school only to get a job. Going to school only to get a job. None of our parents have told us that you go to a good school and become a good businessman or businesswoman. It is very hard time to hear from our parents' mouth. So, out of a hard-earned 20 to 25 years of age, we study only to get a good job for a meager amount. Let me put to you in detail. All of us throughout the world, any part of the country, people earn money out of 3 or 4 ways. The main thing is job. Out of the 100% population, 90% of people prefer job. What happens in the job? You work 8 to 10 hours. We shortly call as 9 to 5 job. We get a meager amount. That meager amount, we will be very happy to receive the salary cash cover by the end of the month. But that same excitement will last for us only for a couple of days, which means it goes to house rent and education and any health challenges or grocery or education, any type of expenses. That salary cover will get vanished in the next 2 to 3 days. So what happened? Again we go to the same office, same month we go, daily 9 to 5, we get the same salary for years and years together. Some people, if their salary is not enough, they go for a better job with a little bit of difference in the salary. So people work for 40 years, right from the age of 25 till the age of 65, they work for the next 40 years. That is almost 75% of their lifetime goes to job. And when you will have the time to enjoy life with your spouse and children, just imagine. So when your dream is very strong, you have a burning desire, this is the best opportunity in the planet for you to be financially free in the next 2 to 3 years from now. So please watch this presentation till the end with utmost care of yours. So we get around 8 to 10 hours income. So this is happening in the job throughout the world. Okay. And the next type of money people earn is professionals. Professionals are nothing but, we call them as doctors, engineers, lawyers, advocates. Those type of people, they make a reasonable amount of income based on their education. And the next third type of people who earn money are business people. This business people we can still further classify as traditional business. See, traditional business is, there are big business people, there are medium-sized business people, they employ about 5, 10 people, 50 people, 100 people depending upon the financial. They invest a huge amount of money to start that business. But what challenges they have, in traditional income, you will be getting 100% income from only one source. You may be employing a lot of people, but if you are unable to look after a business for a day or a week or a month, if you are absent for that business, your entire business may collapse. So again I tell you, 100% income from one source of income. Whereas there is another business called networking, which you may heard or you may not heard till now. So networking is a new concept. It is not actually a new concept. It may be new to you, but this is in existence in the global for the past 50 to 60 years plus. So networking is a new concept wherein people earn a lot of money in a very short span of time. Let me explain to you about this networking in detail. Networking, see, actually networking, it is not a different type of word. Networking is nothing but a family itself, it's a networking. Like our great grandparents, and then came our grandparents, and then our parents, and then we, and then our generation. This itself is a networking. Networking is already in our life. And the other type of people involved in the networking is nothing but the sports industry. For example, if you take about cricket sports, like there will be a cricket board, there will be a cricket coach, there will be players. Without the players, without the captains, you cannot play cricket. So networking is already in the sports industry. And the next networking where you can find is the police department, then the judiciary, and then like restaurant. Example, there will be a boss, the owner of the restaurant, and there will be a supervisor, there will be a manager, there will be a steward, and ultimately we, the customer who go to the restaurant to dine in. So without the customer, there is no business. Without the boss, there is no business. So it itself is a networking. Like that, there are lots of things we can take into account. And moreover, we can talk about education department, schools and colleges. We have the principal, we have the HOD, we have the teachers, we have the non-teaching staff, we have the students, ultimate students. Without the teachers, without the students, you cannot run a school. So networking, you shouldn't think in a big way. It is necessity in our lifetime. Through this networking, I am going to show you how you can earn a very big money. To go deeper into this networking, actually this networking business came into existence almost 50 to 60 years back, as I told you earlier. One gentleman by name Ray Kroc, I think in USA, way back in the year 1960, he was a bit aged person when he started this business. He was very interested to give quality food for the people. So what he started is a French fries business in the year 1960. He started an outlet in US. What happened? Many people started to taste the food and everybody were very excited about the taste. So his business started booming. So normally when we start a business in one place, when this business started booming, what we think, we want to start an additional outlet. So like that, Mr. Ray Kroc, he started an outlet in a different place. Let us assume this is A. He employed a person. He employed a person for salary, and he started another outlet in a different place. So this business started booming. And in days to come, what happened? This business started diminishing because Ray Kroc was looking after only this outlet. Then what he did, Mr. Ray Kroc, he came to this branch, and that time this branch started booming, and this outlet, his older outlet, started diminishing, which means the owner of the company should be present in a particular outlet. Then he was totally confused. He doesn't know what to do. Then he had a new idea. So what happened? He started to invite his friends. He wants to give this opportunity, business partner, business ownership to many of his friends. He invited many friends, but none of them responded. Then at last his sister Nancy took up this opportunity. What was the deal? Ray Kroc told his sister, for every 100 rupees you make, Nancy, you take 96% and you pay me only 4%. Which means for every 100 rupees Nancy make, Nancy can retain 96 rupees and 4 rupees should be given to Ray Kroc. So seeing this opportunity, Nancy was very excited because she is going to enjoy 96% of the income and only 4% goes to his brother. And Ray Kroc will tell all the secrets how to develop the business. Seeing the success of Nancy, many people started to take up this agency or franchisee or networking, whatever you term. Like this, many people. Today, throughout the world, Ray Kroc has about 300,000 outlets throughout the world. 300,000 outlets throughout the world. Okay, just imagine how much Ray Kroc is making every day. Say for example, if 4% is being earned by each and every outlet, 4 rupees per outlet, which means 1.2 million rupees Ray Kroc is earning every day. In Indian language, if you are an Indian or an Indian looking this video in a different country, we call it as 12 lakhs per day, which means 1.2 million every day. One day, not per month, it's one day. Just imagine the income what Ray Kroc is earning every day, because these are all employees, they are all business owners and business partners. Like the same way only, the business what I am going to tell you is going to operate in the same way. But the beauty is that you are not going to enjoy the 4%, but you are going to enjoy a maximum portion of income through the business opportunity what I am going to tell you. This sounds interesting, right? Okay. Now, my presentation for the first part is over. Now I am going to go to the second part about the business presentation. Why I am telling you this? When you see this business opportunity, it may relate to you. Okay, now please look this presentation very carefully. I will be finishing this presentation another 15 to 20 minutes from now. So please listen to this presentation very carefully and look into the calculation and see how the business model works. Okay, now the business opportunity which I am going to tell you is none other than the company by name Pearl Wine International. Pearl Wine International, founded by Dr. Daniel Johnson in the year 2015. This person is a respected person. He is not an ordinary guy. He is not an ordinary graduate holder. He is a mathematical scientist by profession. Mathematical scientist. Okay, so he started this business in the year 2015 in US. Today, this business has been established in most of the countries. As of today, this business is existence in around 150 plus countries. Not one country, two countries, 100 plus countries. This business is already people are doing. Total people, it's about 21 lakhs people. So you are not going to be the first person to do this business. Before you, 21 lakhs people are already flourishing in this business. Okay, so this business is all about nothing but the same model as I told you earlier, like franchisee, but in the franchisee as the model, it is only a food product, but here the product is different. It is nothing but a digital wallet. Okay, nowadays you must have heard about the term digital wallet. Okay, today's world, anything is computerized, anything is digitalized, everything is internet based, everything is computer based. Today's world, you cannot see anything in manual or paper. Everything is digitalized. So this business is all about digital wallet business. To remind you, you must have heard about Google Pay, Phone Pay, Amazon Pay. These are all digital wallets. These digital wallets are all wallet which is used only to spend your hard-earned money. But this Pearl Wine International business is nothing but this wallet is going to give you more and more money. in the next couple of days when you start this business. Okay, so so the digital wallet business, we are forced to accustom to that latest technology. Okay, so for example, if you are an Indian watching this video, you must have heard about a company named Hindustan Motors. The car name is Ambassador. Now today, Ambassador doesn't exist in India. It exists, but the production is almost stopped. Only the older version is available. So what happened? Ambassador car never got accustomed with the technology, so they vanished from the field, automobile industry. Like that, you must have heard about a TV called Dianora. Today's world, there is no TV, Dianora. It's all vanished from the business. What I want to say is, you should go into the track with the latest technology, otherwise you will be isolated, like how we have this COVID-19. Many people are getting isolated. So what I want to tell you is, if you want to make real quick money, networking is the only option through which you can make big money in the next 2 to 3 years from now. If you are still working in the job, it will take 40 years to, that too, you can't earn a big amount of money, you can earn only a reasonable amount of money. Okay, so this business, Pearlvine International, they have around 11 accounts. Okay, total they have around 11 accounts. They have plan A and plan B. So to start this business, you are going to open a bank account. Okay, it is a digital bank account. It is not a manual account. It is a digital bank account. Then what happens? All the income or all the terminology, we call it as DP. That is called digital point. Okay, one digital point is equal to $1. You may be in any part of the world, any part of the country. We call it as a common term as 1 DP equal to $1. So to start up a bank account in this business, you need to open a bank account with 30 DP, that is 30 US dollars. Okay, 30 DP equal to 30 US dollars. To open a bank account, you are going to give only 3 details: your name, your mail ID, and your permanent mobile number. I repeat, your name, your mail ID, and your permanent mobile number. With these 3 details, you are going to open an account with 30 DP. The first account we are going to open is called the Pearl account. So with 30 DP, you are very excited to start this business. Just imagine, have you ever heard a business to start up with a very, very minimum cost? If you want to start up a very big business, you have to invest lakhs and lakhs of rupees. Maybe in any part of the country, you can't start with $30. But through this business, with a small minimum startup cost, you can make a huge and humongous money through this business opportunity. Okay, the first account you are going to open is Pearl. Any people in the world, any part of the world, one can start only from the first account, Pearl. The second account is called the Coral. The third account is called the Onyx. And the fourth account is called Quartz. Fifth account is called Amethyst. These are all names of the costly stones. And the sixth account is called Topaz. Seventh account is called Ruby. And in the plan B, we have 4 accounts. First one is called Agate. Second account is called Amazonite. Third account is called Amber. And fourth account is called Beryl. So plan A we have 7 accounts and plan B we have 4 accounts. Our business model is nothing but we are going to start up with this first account, and I am going to show you by upgrading each and every account how much you are going to earn money in a big way. Okay. Now please go through this, understand this business presentation very carefully. Please do not be disturbed with any kind of disturbances. Okay. Okay. Now we are very excited. You started this business. As I told you earlier, our motto of the business is nothing but inviting more and more business partners. You are not going to appoint employees. You are going to invite more and more business partners, business leaders. Okay. Now you are here. The moment you got admitted in a school, we have to go to school and study daily. Likewise, you got an appointment letter in an office, in a job. What you have to do? You have to go to office and do your job daily. Likewise, you got started by paying 30 DP, started an account called Pearl with 30 DP. Now, how you are going to start this business? Okay. Now you are here, already started. See, in any business, you need customers. You take a grocery shop, you take a supermarket, you take a medical shop, you take any type of business outlet, you need customers. If you are opening a grocery shop, you alone, you cannot, without customers, you cannot run the business. Or if you happen to see a tea shop wala in a roadside, he himself needs customers. Without customers, you cannot do any business. But here, we are going to appoint as many as business partners like you and me. Okay. Say for example, likewise, how you joined with 30 DP, whoever got sponsored through you, let us assume Mr. A, he also has to start only with Pearl by paying only 30 DP. So for every person you bring in with 30 DP, you will be getting 15 DP as your revenue. How much? 50%. That is, out of 30 DP, you will be getting 15 DP, which is 50% of the revenue. Just imagine, is there any business which fetches you 50% income? Normally when you are starting any business, you will be getting around 5% or 10% or maximum 20% returns. Okay. But here you are getting 50% returns. 15 DP means 15 US dollars. Okay. Like that, how many people you sponsor? You get 15 DP. How many people you sponsor? From each and every people you will be getting 15 DP. Any amount of people you sponsor, you will be getting 15 DP. This is called as level 1. Any people whom you sign directly, they are called as level 1. And the next level is called the level 2. For example, you are here, your work is over, your first level of work is over, and the next level they are going to bring through this people. You are not going to bring through you. The first level is the direct people whom you are going to bring in through you. And the next level is called the level 2. Okay. Now, this person, Mr. A, whom you directly sponsor, he in turn can sponsor any number of people. Okay. Like how I told you, Ray Kroc model, the more he gave opportunity, the more revenue he is getting. So like the same model, if Mr. A, in the level 2 of yours, he sponsors another person. He also will join us Pearl by paying the same $30, and he, after Pearl, he upgrades to Coral, let us assume. The first level is called Pearl, and the second level, everybody has to join Pearl. And if he upgrades to Coral by 40 DP, out of 40 DP, you will be getting 20 DP. The first layer you get 15 DP. Second layer, if people upgrade to Coral level, you will be getting 20 DP. And the third level, Onyx, you can upgrade by paying 100 DP. And the third level is called the level 3. The third level is called Onyx. He or she will join us Pearl, and when they upgrade it to Onyx, out of 100 DP, you will be getting 50 DP. 50% of 100 DP is 50 DP. Just imagine what a big income is this. Okay, and the next level is called level 4. Same new person comes in and he joins us Pearl, upgrade it to Quartz by paying 1000 DP, and you will be getting 500 DP. That is 500 US dollars. Okay. And the next new person who is called as level 5, he joins as Pearl and upgrade it to Amethyst by paying 5000 DP, and you will be getting 2500 DP is nothing but $2,500 from one single person. This calculation is that you will be getting from each and every people. Suppose in this leg you have 10 people or on the second leg if you are having 20 coral, or on the third leg if you are having 10 or 20 onyx, into that number. This calculation is per person. Okay, and the next level is called level 6 topaz. He also joins as pearl, upgrades it to topaz by paying $10,000, and you will be getting 5,000 DP, that is $5,000 from this person. And final level is called level 7. A new person comes into the business, and he joined as pearl and upgrades it to ruby by paying 20,000 DP, and you will be getting from this ruby 10,000 DP, that is $10,000. Imagine, is this a small amount or a very big amount? Just imagine, to get this amount you have to, until you work even up to 65 years also, you won't be able to get this much of income. So let us assume in each level, if 1% you're getting from 1%, the total amount of dollars you'll be getting around 18,070 DP, that is 18,070 US dollars. This income is called the fast track income. I am rushing because of shortage of time. Okay, so this income is called the fast track income, and the next income I am going to show you is the team performance bonus. Second income is called the team performance bonus. Team performance bonus. This team performance bonus is nothing but, you are here, you sponsor any number of people, A, B, C, D, like any number of people, up to level 8. As I told you in the earlier step, up to level 8. That is how many width and how many depth, that is 8 level deep. Any person who joined within this LOS, you will be getting 1.25 DP from each and every people you get into your network. Suppose if in this entire network, if 10 people joins, you will be getting 1.25 into 10. If 100 people joins, 1.25 DP into 100 people. If 1000 people joins in a network, you will be getting from each people 1.25 into 1000. So this income, it may look to you with a very minimum amount, 1.25, but if you multiply by 10 or 100 or 1000, it gives a very big income. Okay, so this income is called the team performance bonus. And the third income, I doubt you may faint seeing this money. The third income is called the global automatic income. This income is based on the world's turnover. It is not your group turnover, based on the global turnover. They give this income based on the 4 into 4 matrix. They give into 8 cycles. Each cycle the computer will select. You may get within 4 to 6 months or 8 months period each cycle. Like that you will be getting in 8 cycles. The first cycle you will be getting 0.4 DP. The first cycle you will be getting 0.4 DP. Second cycle you will be getting 16 DP. And the third cycle you will be getting 64 DP. And the fourth cycle you will be getting 256 DP. Like that, cycle 5, cycle 6, cycle 7, cycle 8. Total put together you will be getting 43,856 DP. That is 43,856 US dollars from Pearl account. Okay, if you are in the Pearl account, you will be getting 43,856 DP. If you are a Coral account, you will be getting, for Coral you will be getting 1,75,400 DP. If you are a Onyx, you will be getting 5,25,416 DP. And if you are in Quartz, you will be getting So the income they will give for 7 levels, because each and every If you are a quartz, you will be getting around 52 lakhs $54,160. Like this, you will be paid for all the 7 levels. For all the 7 levels you are paid, right from pearl until ruby. And this amethyst you have another income, the topaz you have another income, ruby you have another income. If I write all the 7 incomes, definitely you will be fainting. I will assure you will definitely faint seeing this income. So such type of income is available in this business. You have to decide whether you need this business or not. Okay. Now I told you about the 3 types of income for this plan A. Now I am going to tell you about the incomes in plan B, that is agate, amazonite, amber and beryl. In plan B you have 2 types of income. One income is called the team performance bonus. Any people who join as pearl, they also can upgrade to agate by paying $20 and amazonite upgrade by $40 and by upgrading amber by paying $100, by upgrading beryl by paying $200. So any people who upgraded to agate, you will be getting $1 from them, 1 DP from them. Anybody upgrading to amazonite, you will be getting 2 DP. Anybody in your network upgrading to amber level, you will be getting 5 DP, and anybody upgrading to beryl level, you will be getting 10 DP. So if there is one person who is upgrading all the 4 levels, you will be getting totally 8 DP, that is $18 from one single person. If you have 100 people, you multiply that by 100, or you have 1000 people upgrading all the level, you will be getting 1000 multiplied by 1000. And the next income is called the second type of income for the plan B is, you have the same global automatic income for plan B also, global automatic income. For this agate, you get this global automatic income worth about $87,380. If you are an amazonite, you will be getting 2,62,140. Like that you have for all the levels, because the more and more deeper I go, the amount will be very big. You please check up with the person whom I have invited you to see this video. Please thank them, because they are the one who are going to give this wonderful opportunity to you. Okay, so as my time is rushing, I need to finish up on time. So before I could wind up this business presentation, I want to tell you something very important. Now you are the one who saw this business opportunity. Okay, please decide by yourself. Okay, don't give the decision authority to a person who has not seen this opportunity. Okay, because it is very easy to get advice from others. When you tell this business opportunity to your friend or relative who have not seen this business opportunity, then in one word they will say, why you waste your time? You are into a big job, you are into a big professional, you are into a big businessman. Why you waste your time? Those people will advise you very easily. If they are going to pay your monthly bills, you can very well listen to what they say. But definitely they are not going to help you out in any way. They will only give you free advice. For example, if you ask them, why don't you help me by paying $5,000 or $10,000 every month? What they will say, you better do this opportunity. Because advice is free throughout the world. But you decide, you are going to take your family into a better position. Your wife has believed you and come. Your children came through you. You have to give a wonderful lifestyle. How many years you are going to travel like this in a job or a tension business? Nowadays COVID has come. For the past 6 months, the entire world has been upside down. Many people have lost their job as of today. I am not very sure about the quantum. About 17 crores or lakhs, I don't know, within India or outside India, many people have lost their jobs, and many people are going to lose their jobs, and many big business have been shattered. I don't know, this impact will carry forward for the next 1 or 2 years from now. So please decide whether you are going to take this business and run like a 100-meter dash and settle your life in the next 2 to 3 years time, or you're going to continue the same old job for the next 40 years. You have to select the right vehicle. Selecting the right vehicle is very, very important. If you select a wrong vehicle, you will end up in a very big problem, because our grandparents were working, our parents were working, we are working. So when are we going to enjoy our life? When are we going to travel the world? When are we going to drive expensive cars? When are you going to build up a big bungalow? If you believe the job, it's high time you can't do anything with this thing. Okay? So my humble request is, take a good decision, take a firm decision. Fortune will knock your door only once. It will not knock your door daily. It will knock only once in a lifetime. And that once in a lifetime is through this video. Your life is going to change. Okay? So when you think about the 50-60 years back, everybody were in agriculture business. Then the next revolution came, is called the engineering, and then the computer revolution came. But now the latest technology, network marketing industry. Through this networking industry, it has made many millionaires through this business, because this business, you don't need any education, you don't need any experience, you don't need any age. You may be a male or a female, you may be tall or short, you may be white or black, nothing matters. It is your desire, it is your burning desire, it's your dream which is going to take you through this business. Okay, so take a good decision. Before winding up, please subscribe this video, because next 15 days, after the 15 days, I will be releasing another video. That video will be for about 90 minutes. It is going to be a video for people who have joined this business. This presentation is people who are going to join. But my next video is going to be when people started joining, what they should do. That training I will be giving another 15 days from now for about 90 minutes video. So please subscribe. If you don't understand this my presentation, you please look into this presentation once more. Or you call your person who has asked you, who has invited you to see this video presentation. Don't take it for granted. You may see some movies, oh that movie was nice, and after that you forget. Same thing, please don't take it for granted. This is a very big opportunity. It is a life-changing opportunity. You are going to retire just 2 to 3 years from now. Just imagine if you retire, I don't know what's your age, you may be 20 looking this video, or 30 or 40 or 50, whatever the age may be. Just imagine 3 years from now, you're going to retire through this business and you're going to enjoy your life. Okay, so I don't want to take much of your time. Please take a good decision. Again, I repeat, please don't give the chance for your decision to somebody person who have not seen this opportunity. They will totally confuse you and you will be in problem. Okay, so with that, wish you all the best and God bless you. Thank you.